The case of the missing story. Your students will imagine that they have a great idea for a character, but it's gone missing. Don't worry, Detective Ophelia Owl is on the case. We'll work together to answer her questions and help her gather clues. In the final session, we'll collect all of her clues and learn how to piece them all together into a story. I'll work through an example using a familiar literary character. Students will watch as Baby Bear's character and story take shape as we work through each activity. And finally, I'll reveal how all of the pieces they worked to create in the first 3 sessions come together into their very own character story. Plus, there's even time for sharing, and I love to see what your students come up with.